With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hi, the question is, a large number of pendulums with the identical bobs and mass is m but varying length are suspended from a thick thread. Another pendulum of heavier bob and mass m is also suspended from the same thread as shown in the figure. Clear? This pendulum with a heavier bob is used as a driver to drive the other pendulums and called as drive-in pendulums. Clear? Assume that the amplitude of the driver is maintained constant. Clear? Let the frequency of this driver is this f0. Which of the following gives the straight line graph? So we have to choose the which of the following gives the straight line graph. So options we can see log a against t, and B option we can see that log a against 1 by t, and we can see that C option a against t square, and the D option we can see that a square against t. Clear? Now we have to see which one is the constant. Clear? Now here we can see that we have to use this equation, damping equation we have to use. As we know, a is equal to a naught e to the power minus kt. This equation we have to use for finding the answer of this question. Clear? Now a is equal to what? This a naught into e to the power minus kt. So a is equal to this. Now from here we can take log both sides. So log a is equal to, we can write this is equal to log a, and we can write this is equal to minus kt, and this log e, and log e is equal to what? We know that this is equal to 1. So this is equal to, from here we can write log a is equal to log a naught, this is the a naught, log a naught and minus kt, because we know that this log a is equal to 1. Log e to the base e is equal to 1. Log e to the base e is equal to what? 1, we can see from here. Clear? Now from here, from this graph, it is clear that a we can assume y, and this is equal to c minus kx. So we can say that this log a is equal to y, and this is equal to what? T is equal to x. So this will give the straight line. So y versus x will give the straight line. So we can say that y is the log a. From this graph we can see that y versus x means log a versus t will give the straight line, where the slope of this line is what? Minus k, we can see from here, and this is what? Intersect, and this is what? C, we can see that c is equal to this. Here y is equal to log a, and this slope is equal to m is equal to tan theta, and here this is equal to minus k, and x is equal to, here we can assume this t. So we can see that from here this y versus x will give the straight line, means log y versus t will give the straight line. So a is the right option. We can see that log a against 1 by t will not give the straight line. A against t square, it also will not give the straight line. So a square against t, this also will not give the straight line. So from this relation it is clear that this log a against t will give the straight line. So this a is the right option for this question. Hope this answer your question. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.